Day function is an opportunity for all of us to celebrate. I think if you look at from Dr. Srinivas Rao, your principal or director's the speech, I think the more he spoke about me than the institution. So what's more important is an institution. It cannot be an individual based. It was an opportunity God has created some time back, about 25 years back, has given to me to establish a small institution called Administrative Management College. Maybe over the number of 2.5 decades, years, the small institution, a small youngster who has started this institution in those days, maybe has grown along with my age and my time into a reality, a much more bigger institution. It was not that all that great that we do it. It is the commitment and the sincerity and the dedication towards the profession has paid a rich dividends in the form of the AMC group institutions. It was somewhere around 1984, I think I started these institutions when I was a 23-year-old young man in those days. It was really a tough job and a commitment towards the profession, and all the more the sincerity towards this particular education field has paid us. There are thousands of students being graduated from these institutions. Today, across the 9 institutions, we deliver the educational, the process, the system, the more than 10,000 students across institutions. But that was the tradition. So what we have made in those days has been continuing. It was in those days the bringing the management education from the Western countries to this great nation. A little part of my commitment, what we were able to give, a quality education to the students. It was that AMC was the first institution to start MBA in the private sector. It was that we were the first people to introduce your blazer, what you are wearing today, in the Bangalore city. It is even that today also the AMC, the group in City College group, and together we account to the highest number of MBA and MCA seats in the state of Karnataka compared to any other institution. While we have these tall climbs, but the quality, what we have delivered in the process, the system, as somewhere or another we have failed. It was not the original, the AMC brand. Wherever you go in the Bangalore city and even in north, even close to the Himalayas, sometimes we still find students. I find some students in sometimes in New York airport, or sometimes we find them in a London airport. It was a great opportunity for all of us to meet in a global environment. But what is happening is, as we grow, slowly we lose the kind of a control over the institutions. So what we have in this country is the lot many youngsters now we wanted to pursue the management education and relatively to the computer science. The employment opportunities were plenty and everybody was able to get accommodated. So there was slowly the number of institutions have increased in tenfold and maybe today to the 100-fold. The institutions is increasing, the quality started diluting. The most professors at these institutions, and especially at the universities, are more on a theoretical based professors, and none of these people have really worked in an industry or where they really solved the case studies, really worked in a real life situations. The people are able to produce the number of books, maybe the Western version, But today, the highly qualified people, I don't want to blame anybody in that way, but still, the kind of an accuracy and the quality what is being expected of, still from an Indian student is not to the mark. When you look at the same student in any of the Western countries where we really borrowed from the computer education and management education, they work more than 18 hours. It's a more of the problem solving, more of the practical in nature. When we put the same in Indian student in a Western conditions, we suffer a lot. We suffer a lot, including the J.R.D. Tata, even a Ratan Tata, who has contributed so much to the Western education. Even you name it in university, look at it in Stanford, their presence is there. You name it at Harvard, yes, they have built a building. The corpus is there. Name it in Europe, many universities they are there. Even in Warwick University, even in UK, there is an exclusive building done by the Concord and Tatas. While they are doing so much to the Western countries, even everyone is contributing towards the Western education, the quality what is expected of in those countries is not being maintained here. Whether the teaching as a profession, we have not taken it as the full-time profession, or the boys and girls here wanted easy degrees and very thick package. The packages we wanted the best of the best in the world. But what is really the commitment and the sincerity towards the profession and the working is really lacking in these countries. That is where the youngsters, everybody will get a result, everybody will get an opportunity, but provided we really work for it. The hard work alone doesn't pay you. Everybody says you work hard, you get the results. Hard work doesn't pay you the results all the time. Your commitment, your efforts are more important to achieve particular areas. The chosen field is a more important, the timing is a more important. When you start any individual venture, when you work, how best you work towards the seniors, your employers, is a more important to convince, to work. But today, the world, everything, as we observe from the seniors in this field, many people wanted everything to be easy. None of us wanted to stick on to the punctuality. None of us wanted to stick on to what really a student is required in this present day world. We come and teach and go back, and we come and attend classes for a couple of hours and go back. That's not the case when this is the only 2-3 years of a time for all of us to spend in educational institutions. If the people who have really utilized this particular time is more productively, and you bring in the results, automatically, the way you dress, the way you communicate, the way you talk to your friends, the way you really work towards your leadership qualities, how you can get along with others. There are a lot many things what you can acquire at educational institutions that makes ultimately the difference in the person who is graduating from an institutions, be it AMC or something else. It is ultimately you as an individual is going to make the major difference. At institutions, I'm happy that after Dr. Srinivas Rao has taken over as a principal, he is trying to bring some changes. I have given him the maximum freedom to do it academically. Certain things we are able to implement, but a change takes time. But now the results, slowly and slowly, they started coming back. We have started coming back to establish the original, the level of the confidence and the quality of education what once upon a time AMC was providing. Once it was known, AMC means is the management. Even today also, any institutions, when we go around, they talk much about the AMC. The reason is the original quality what has been established. The branding is, even still it is a good when compared to hundreds of colleges. But what I request is, as an institution, I do not know what your experiences are here. I know some of them will have a different experiences and opinion about these institutions. but institution alone cannot give you the everything. It is that in an individual, how you put your efforts, you understand, appreciate your own institution, available facilities, improve your talent, improve your overall the standard, will definitely bring a good results. I'm very happy that today we have the annual day celebrations. In a small way, I think looks like the way it's been organized. And we were not knowing that, I think, until yesterday, the former president of the country, that's Dr. Abdul Kalam, I think he's visiting our campus on 2nd May in the morning hours. So evening we are planning to have the engineering college is having their annual day celebrations on in the evening, maybe similar time. But had we known this fact yesterday, then maybe we would have clubbed with this. Also the event, what we are planning to have it in the ground itself. But however, we also understand that many students have made their reservations and wanted to go back. I think most of them are not going to be available later on. Then Dr. Rao said, sir, we'll go ahead and do it. So I think that's how today all of us are here. We don't want to spend more time on the long speeches spending like this. In fact, one of the promise I taken from AMC principals is not to go for long speeches. If possible, avoid the speeches. Everybody listens, everybody is the story. Because you want me to speak something, we have to speak. Otherwise you don't know what we are. But they don't listen to these things. These are our own institutions. I don't need a felicitation from this. It's after all, we are all together. You're all our children. We're all work like a family here with all the faculty members. It's a great day once again. And enjoy as long as you are an institution. So any difficulties, contact the great faculty members. I think we are pruned. You have good people around right now. Any difficulties in any future, anything you wanted, once you complete the course also, get back to the institution. We promise a day by day the facilities and the communication is going to be improved in these institutions. If anybody had a different opinion about these institutions elsewhere, yes, it was. But now we are trying to rectify our own mistakes. The learning is a continuous process. Rectifying mistakes is also a major process at any institution as the new things are coming up in this internet era. I congratulate all those prize winners who are all really going to receive the prizes today. And I wish all the seniors to have a very bright future. And I also wish all your parents a good luck for the entire your family. And thank you very much for the organizing this function.
Thank you, sir. We always need and appreciate your words of encouragement. That's what keeps us going. Thank you very much. I now request Dr. T.N. Srinivasa, Principal AMC Engineering College, to please address the gathering.
Good evening. Respected our beloved chairman, chief guest of today's function, Dr. K.R. Paramahamsa sir, and very dynamic and energetic principal, Dr. Srinivas Rao, Administrative Management College and Advanced Management College, my dear colleagues and my dear student friends. Just now our chairman declared the speeches should be sweet and short. Again, I am reiterating yesterday whatever I said. An engineering college tagline is AMC. Again, I am saying, without administrative management college, we are not there. I know the kind of the love and affection our chairman is having towards administrative management college. I am moved with the chairman very closely for the past 6 years. I have seen the kind of the affection he is having towards the administrative management college. I can very closely have seen and the kind of the expression, the kind of the love and affection he is having towards Administrative Management College. Probably in 1994 started with a lot of a commitment to the society, and in between there is a small decline in the system, and at the time seriously sir was thinking to find a good leader. You know that any organization, any institutions to come up, there's the 4 important factors to be considered. Number 1 is benevolent management. There is no doubt about we have an extraordinary management with a very good infrastructure sir has given, especially in the Bannerghatta road. Nobody can find an area of 56 acres, such a beautiful campus you will never find in any other organization like this.